Remove emoji or sticker from face and see the face photo. You can take a photo from camera and set emoji on photo. Save the emoji photo on the gallery. After that, select the edited photo from the gallery and remove emoji from girl's face in front of friends to make best moment with this amazing prank photo editor app. Just with few steps you will be able to see the face behind the emoji. This emoji remover pranks app also provides to remove emoji from the photo which is taken from the side. Emoji remover from Photo Funny prank app. There is an option provided to remove emoji or sticker from a black, white, dark skin photo, which is no doubt amazing functionality of this funny prank app. It's a new funny prank app. This is an emoji remover prank app for fun. You can remove sticker and emoji from photos. The app will gives you random girls' face photos to see behind the emoji. People usually express their moods and emotions on social media by adding emojis and other characters to photos. However, sometimes they forget to save the original picture and suddenly save the ones with emojis. That's when users search for answers on how to restore their photo to its original file. Fortunately, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone device, many apps can help you remove emojis from pictures. And this article will unearth those valuable tools for you and teach you how to. Emoji Remover from Photo is a funny photo editor app through which you can easily make someone full and make funny moments with friends and girlfriends.